you know, we can recognize them very well and doing a good job, and they fought for a just cause.
They did.
Yeah.
They did.
Would you say something and recognize the South Vietnamese Army, and then because I keep them in my heart all my life.
I keep them in my heart too, because the one thing I'm proud of in Vietnam is the way that our soldiers, sailors, and airmen and Marines fought. I know there were all sorts of aberrations, but they were just aberrations. Almost all of the soldiers, sailors, Marines that Gene and I had anything to do with fought because they believed in what they were fighting for. The South Vietnamese Army and their military is the same way. We're brothers under the skin, and they deserve your pride and they deserve your appreciation. And I just compliment you so much in doing what you can do something about that. It would be wonderful if we could have national recognition of these people. Seek them out and help them just as we do our own veterans.